how to have multiple pictures as wallpaper on iPhone. So all you have to do is to just swipe through this your lock screen here and then long press. Now after that you will see a lot of your wallpapers here, right? Now the next thing that you're gonna do is to add a new wallpaper. So what you're gonna do is on the bottom part you will see this plus sign icon. Click on that. Now, what you're gonna do next is on the upper part, you will see these options. Tap on Photo Shuffle. Now here, all you have to do is on the bottom part, you'll see select photos manually. So you can choose, of course, the photos that you want to add as your wallpaper and choose the photos. Tap on add on the upper right. Now here, I already have three photos here, right? Like one, two, three, and four. Four, I mean. And then the next thing that you're gonna do is here on the right side, tap on the three dots here. And here you can shuffle frequency. So you can have multiple pictures as your wallpaper. So for this tutorial, I'm just gonna put on or set it on tap. So every time I tap on the lock screen or the wallpaper, it will now switch. So you just have to pinch or crop or move it around, or you can even change the filter. So let's just set it to this and then tap on add on the upper right and then tap on set as wallpaper pair. And then if you go back here, you have now successfully changed your wallpaper. Now, since I have set it to every time I tap it, it will change. As you can see, if I tap on it, it will now change. And basically, that's how you add multiple pictures as wallpaper on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.